it's me Nessie again. I am currently sitting here editing this exact vlog that you are watching right now, but before we get started with this week in my life, I wanted to quickly give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, UniSuccess. Now, I know a lot of you guys are currently going through the transition process between high school and university, and UniSuccess is basically a platform that can connect you with student advisors from a whole range of universities who have been through the exact same process that you're going through right now. And what you can do is schedule video calls with these student advisors to pick their brains about the application process, ask them any questions that you might have regarding campus culture, food, housing, societies, anything you want basically. They are currently offering a 30-minute free trial if you sign up using the link in the description box down below and use my referral code right here. So do make sure to check that out if you guys were interested, and let's get started with this video. Hi everyone, it has been a minute since I last said hi to you guys. It's currently finals week right now and I have been holed up in my room writing essays, trying to study for finals. It hasn't been working out that well, but I have successfully managed to write 2 paragraphs of my final essay today, so I'm quite proud about that. And in order to reward myself, I am treating myself to a good meal at the cafeteria. It has been a few weeks since I last ate at the cafeteria, so this place seems a little unfamiliar to me now, but I'm currently sitting with Kathy over here. She's not showing her face because she doesn't have makeup on, but she's currently watching BTS live on Music Bank and eating our delicious bibimbap. Makeup. We are in Hongdae, and why are we here today? Clubbing. For clubbing. We've been here for almost an entire semester and we haven't really probably gone clubbing yet, so we decided that it was time to go before the semester is up. Before the last week and before the finals. Exactly. So we have finals next week and we've been staying inside to work and write essays the whole day, but now we are out in Hongdae ready to go clubbing. Woo woo! Katie came to find us. We're heading into MB2 now after going into, where were we at? So we're using the viewfinder to apply the lipstick. Oh my god! Katie! Katie's getting ready.
Katie, this video will be not edited and it will be originally on Nessie's channel.
This is going on YouTube. How does Katie look, guys? Yeppa? Heading in. Hi guys, it is 12 in the afternoon, same day, and we all just woke up and we're currently on our way to a building on campus to watch a movie.
I see you look so tired.
It's Saturday, guys. It's Saturday. But in order to make the extracurricular component of one of our units, we have to do this. We're so tired. Currently alive. Not made it to class. Hi guys. Just finished our movie and on the way back to dorms we have stopped on this staircase to stretch because we're so sore all over. Kathy's in front of me. Stretching her legs as well. This is what clubbing does to you guys. Oh, we're getting old. Oh, Katie has rushed off to another fan meeting. This time it's for a group called On and Off. But we are currently heading back to the dorms right now. Going to do our makeup, get changed, and we're heading off to Hanggang tonight. Hello from inside a tent at Hanggang. It's raining, so sad, but we have hired a tent. It was pouring. It was pouring. We've hired a tent.
I'm ugly. No.
Hired a tent, and we are sitting here in the rain eating some pizza and also chicken.
They're good food. Oh my god.
So good.
Just not the right weather.
No one will understand.
Thank you
all
for
of
the
things.
lighting.
These two are giving us some lighting right now. But no one will understand what we went through to go pick these up from the delivery drivers.
We're literally like
running around in the pouring rain.
Yes, and like among all those crowds, their umbrella is also like
Dripping rain on us.
And look at Nancy's hair.
I know, I look like I just came out of a shower. But what matters is that we got our food! Now it's time for a riverside chicken and pizza party.
Probably cannot see the Hanggang view though because it's still raining right now.
Oh,
well, like what matters
is the people here,
and the food.
and the food.
Music later.
We didn't know, but there's actually a concert happening next to us. There's like a Seoul Philharmonic Orchestra performing maybe like 100 meters away from us. So we're gonna have some really nice music later.
Yeah.
Okay, gonna eat now. 잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
Alright guys, I am heading off to meet Tom and Melody because we're going to go over a research proposal that we're doing for our East Asian Societies class. Last week, the final hustle is coming up. Alright, now to figure out how to get inside this building. Hello everyone! I have just come out of one of my final exams, feeling great. I am going to go chill out on the lawn for a while before heading to class. Hello everyone! One outfit change and a whole lot of makeup later. I am currently at Hanggang with Kathy. I was planning on going back to the dorms and studying for my next exam, except the weather was too nice, so Kathy managed to convince me to come outside. And we've been doing a little bit of shopping. Kathy's dropped a whole lot of mula, but now we are by Hwampo Hangang. We've just ordered chicken, been taking some selfies with the sunset, and now I think we're going to head to the convenience store to pick up some banana milk, right? Banana. Just come back from the convenience store, got ourselves some ice cream.
Already finished.
Kathy's already finished it, but I was going to pick up our chicken from the delivery driver, and while I was getting that, the water show started at Hangang. Oh, so pretty. They have some nice mood music going on. We have our ice cream here, banana milk.
Yeah.
And also our long-awaited BHC fried chicken.
Chicken.
Wow, but I think I'm gonna eat this ice cream first before it melts. Just going to sit here and enjoy the lovely atmosphere.
자, 하나, 둘, 셋.
와우, 이 기분이 너무 좋아. What's next?
그 밤 함께 걸었던 거리 발을 맞추고 긴 얘길 나누던 우리
Hello everyone, I look like a mess, I know, but it is less than 8 hours until my final exam, and I have spent the entire day holed up inside the dorms. I have not left the house today. Can't wait for exams to be over. Fighting. Hello guys, guess who's done with exams? We are! It's currently 1 p.m. and we finished our exams an hour ago. Just went back home, had a shower, did my makeup, and now we are off to shopping. We have so many things to buy, especially because I'm heading off on another trip tomorrow, so we have a lot of outfits to buy, and this shopping trip has been a long time in the making. We're off to meet Kathy and Jungmi right now. Yeah. Gonna grab some lunch together and then head for not even a little spot, a big spot of shopping. Hello guys! We have found Kathy and Jungmi. There's Katie again. And we have arrived at our first stop of the day. Oh, such a spread. We've got over here a salad, the garlic jokbal, which is what we came for, as well as tumakbap here, and this stew here without noodles inside. Everyone's about to dig in. 맛있어. Wow, both of them offering me some. 맛있어. Finished lunch and we are inside the line store now. Hello. We are here because Kathy wants to buy some BTS merchandise. What are you buying?
BD21.
BD21. Have you found it yet?
No. Do I have to go up there?
Still looking for it. This girl told me she wasn't spending money today. What's happening? It is cute. You just got a new one.
But it's cheap.
It is cheap. Alright, you have my blessings. I also want to buy phone cases, but something I found is that I have the iPhone 6s Plus and it's really hard to find that size in Korea. I don't know why. It means that even if I see a case that I like, I can't buy it, which is a blessing in disguise, I guess. Picking up some juice after spending 2 to 3 hours in A-Land and Market A. So I got a watermelon and banana juice or smoothie, and no one believed me when I said it would taste good, but
I believe you. Come on.
it tastes so good. It tastes better than theirs. Everybody has the juice. And we are now refreshed, recharged, and ready to continue our shopping. 7 hours later and we are rewarding ourselves after shopping with some gopchang. How is it? Good? How is it? 좋아요. So cute. Filled that so fast and now we are getting our coconut. The best part always. How is it? Cheers!
Yep. So post exams. I really hope you guys enjoyed this finals week vlog. I know it was a bit all over the place, but honestly I was all over the place. Before we wrap it up for the day, I wanted to thank UniSuccess again for sponsoring this week's vlog. They do have their 30-minute free trials going on, so make sure to take advantage of that. I will have the link in the description box and the code on the screen here for those of you who are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next one. 안녕!